Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Bgmi and confirming the app is up to date. This prevents hidden mode bugs. Once done, log into your account and make sure your connection is stable so selections save. Next, look at the top right or center of the lobby where the current game mode displays. You'll tap that to open the mode selector. Do this now and don't skip checking whether Ranked or Classic is highlighted, because that determines available maps and matchmaking behavior. Once the mode selector is open, you'll choose between Classic, Arcade, Evo Ground, or Ranked based on your goal. Classic affects loot and pacing, while Ranked changes matchmaking and rewards. Next, select the map that fits the mode. Some modes lock certain maps, so make sure to check the map icon before confirming. Then set team size to solo, duo, or squad, or opt for a custom room for private play. Make sure to review party invites and role assignments before moving on. You finalize by confirming your chosen mode, map, and team settings, then hit Start to Queue or launch the custom room. If playing with friends, invite them now and assign roles. If you need a private match, create a custom room and copy the room ID. Once queued, monitor ping and matchmaking. If something fails, exit and repeat the selection flow so settings reset. One key troubleshooting tip: restart the app and clear cache before retrying if the mode won't change. This resolves most client-side glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.